We're very excited and very happy to be part of this year's Denver Life magazine designer show house. For this particular year, we participated designing the master bedroom as well as the master bathroom. This is a project where you get together with some other amazing designers and each of us get assigned a space. Then we have the liberty to use our entire creativity and design the space. The tricky part on this entire process is that you need to make sure that everybody, even though each room has their own personality and is a signature space for each of the designers, we'll need to make sure that when you see the house as a whole, it's cohesive and it works in harmony and it actually looks like one big space put together with the same vision in mind.